Hi students, today let us discuss third class English bridging gap activity picture 4. Observe this picture. You think it where they are going? Where are they going? Yes, they are going to picnic. This is the field side. Here fields are there. So many animals, things, children, fruits is there, flowers also, grass. Here we see water there, sun, bird, a small baby. Those are parents. Whose parents? This baby parents. And 1, 2, 3 children are there. And another one is sleeping under the tree. Here one rabbit is there. It is eating carrot. Here is one squirrel is. What is it doing? It is climbing a tree. Here nest and birds are there. Eggs also. Here is a mango tree. It have so many mangoes. One cow is under the mango tree. Butterfly is there. One bag is there. They are what mother doing? Mother is cooking. What father doing? Father is eating. The children are playing. What they playing? They are playing cricket. This is the picture. Okay children, you observe the picture and we can write. One monkey is there also. What is it doing? It is playing with the tree. Hanging the tree. Some bowls are there. Where is she cooking? She is cooking on the firewood. Okay, this is the story. They are going to the picnic and they were cooked food at the picnic. Children are playing some time. After that, they took their food and at the evening time, they returned to the home. That is the story. Thank you for watching.